අභිසම්බෝධි ඥානයෙන් අභිසම්බෝධි ඥානයෙන් පංචමාර.
I'm on the way to Riddhi Vihare temple, and now actually I'm just by the road, and we stopped by a small lake, which is a very beautiful place and a very calm and quiet place. So there are a lot of fish here, so I brought some bread to feed them, and so I wanted to actually feed these fish. It is really we see actually thousands of them here. They are actually eating this. I brought this loaf of bread to actually feed them. So this is actually a place where actually people don't fish. There are a large number of fish here. There were actually, but now actually we see only a small number. Actually, they seem to have disappeared during the dry season, because this place dries up during the dry season. So, and these some canine friends also have come here, these dogs. So I'm just going to feed them. So they seem to be they look very hungry. They sometimes, so that they still can't resist from their their nature. So that is their nature. When they sometimes find food, they sometimes become aggressive. That's the nature of the dogs. I like to feed them because hunger is something common to everyone. You see once again these fish. There were actually a large number of fish here, but now actually we see only a small number. So this is a place where actually we see these animals, these creatures living in their full freedom. So this earth is actually not a place that belongs only to humans. This is a place actually that belongs to everyone. So we should accept the right to live of every animal, and that is the basic teaching of our supreme sage Lord Buddha also. So Buddha's kindness is something which spreads to each and every animal and each and every living being. So as Buddhists as well as human beings, so we need to spread our kindness, which is very badly in need of in the modern society, because we see a lot of cruelty towards animals in this society. So people actually have got used to eating the flesh of animals, and as a result of that actually a large number of animals are being hunted and also sometimes caught and killed for food. But I think actually this is something that we need to stop, because we should accept the right to live of every animal, every living being. So I think if everyone can spread their kindness to these animals, this world will become definitely a very beautiful place. And I'm going to actually go to the temple Riddhi Vihare, and I'm going to bring you some more important ancient as well as the religious news about the place. The ancient, it is also a historically important place, and also it is it is a place of religious importance as well. So let's go and see the place, and we will see what we are going to see there. And so my message is actually how to speak English, and why we should learn this language properly, why we need to have an extensive and spread knowledge about English, and why we need to have a profound knowledge of English, and how to obtain a profound knowledge of English. That is what actually I'm going to show you. So we need to what call the get an understanding about this, because this has become a big crisis in Sri Lanka, the English crisis. That is actually the entire nation, the school going children, the students, the younger students, young adults, and also everyone actually, they need to learn this language properly. They like to have a profound knowledge about English, but they do not have a proper guide to have the profound knowledge of English, and they do not know what exactly and precisely they should do if they want to learn English, learn this language well. So let's see actually. So join my program and subscribe my channel, so in the future you will be able to join my classes and learn English into its depth, and obtain a profound knowledge of English, so that you will be able to have a very bright future, and also you will be able to achieve your aspirations and targets in your life.